my Ploopy repair kit came. I gave up on 3D printing the buttons myself. So let's see if we can get this fixed. PH1 bit. I just watched my video from a month ago to double check. Should be 4 screws on the outside, 1 on the inside holding the button plastic in place. And I got off last time with some sort of twisting motion, and the scroll wheel has a metal dowel that's kind of holding stuff together. Okay. So I gotta unscrew that and swap that plastic piece out. And I think the screws are the same, but I've never double checked. Oh God. It's still got the support material on there. It kind of feels sturdier, but I don't know if it still will once I take this off. Man, can you imagine if it broke right now, the new piece, because of peeling off the support material? This is not fun. Yeah, this is pretty sketchy. Why would they not take this off for you? Oh, here we go. I think it's gonna wiggle loose, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, nice. think it might be good now. Nice. It appears to be a different filament. Like you can see the new stuff is shinier. More glossy looking. I wonder if it's still just PLA or if it's something else. And it's less smooth on the bottom, interestingly. Well, it feels smooth, but it doesn't have that rock-like texture. Okay. So this should just fit right in. Okay. I think I can reuse the screw. Wait, maybe not. Can I? I think I can. Okay. What else is in there? Bunch of stuff. I don't even know what that gold thing is. Or the purple thing. There's a QR code. If you want to scan it for fun. I don't know if it'll scan with the plastic and the light. Probably. I think this would be a pain to swap, otherwise it's tempting just to get like fresh plastic. But the wheel has to go through there and I'd have to get more support material off. Is this a new scroll wheel? I wonder, it's clearly hard plastic with like sharp edges. I wonder if you can just take the rubber off and put it on the new piece. That's probably what you do in the DIY kit. Oh, and it has new rubber. It's black instead of blue. So that's interesting. I'll probably just chuck this in a drawer somewhere and not use the rest for now. Okay, we're 8.5 minutes in. Still shorter than the old video so far. Let's see if I can get this back together now. This kind of sticks up. I don't remember if it did before. Hopefully it did. Hopefully everything fits together fine. I just watched myself do this on video, but I do not know how I did it. It was probably a lucky accident. I think to some extent it's meant to like bend and pop into place. Like it won't perfectly smoothly go in necessarily. I'm gonna line up with the port because that's inflexible. I think I gotta back it up. The left side seems kind of finicky. Twisting motion. How do we do it? Are we getting somewhere? It's getting a little dicey, but it might be going. Where's that post? Is that already in there? I can't tell. I don't think it is. What is the problem? Oh God. Hole getting somewhere. I can't tell if the scroll wheel's in. I'm leaning towards no. It's hard to tell. Oh, it's like perfectly on otherwise though. I think I see the problem a little. Oh, almost there. Oh, the dowel was taller than I thought. It was like behind the thing it needed to go in, so I had to raise it up more. The new buttons still click. They stick out a little color-wise, but I think they were always gonna. I was almost gonna print them in like white or red if I did it myself. I think it's probably good. Just gonna put the screws in. What the heck? Why is it not going in? What? Oh, slightly misaligned. do a quick test and include that in the video. Here I've got it plugged back in, reassembled. Mouse works, scroll wheel works, right click works, left click works. The button that was broken before, that lets me go into ball scroll mode, works. So it's a success. Nice.